Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of fashion and simplifying it with the concept of capsule wardrobe. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast or just starting out, this video is for you. Let's discover the essentials every woman needs for a simple yet stylish capsule wardrobe. First things first, what is a capsule wardrobe? It's a curated collection of versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. Think of it as your own mini wardrobe, making getting dressed a breeze. Starting with basics, every capsule wardrobe needs quality essentials. Think a white t-shirt, a well-fitted pair of jeans, and a classic button-down shirt. These pieces are the building blocks of your wardrobe and can be dressed up or down for any occasion. Now let's talk about versatility. Choose pieces that can easily transition from day to night. A stylish blazer or a versatile dress can take you from the office to a dinner date without a wardrobe change. Remember, it's not about having a lot of clothes, but about having a right ones. A capsule wardrobe is about quality over quantity. Accessories play a crucial role. A few statement pieces like a classic watch, a versatile handbag, and a pair of timeless sunglasses can elevate any outfit. These accessories add a personal touch to your style. Now let's simplify our mornings. By having a capsule wardrobe, you spend less time deciding what to wear and more time on things that matter. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to building a capsule wardrobe. Keep it simple, versatile, and true to your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about the clothes you wear, but how you wear them. If you are looking for personalized style guidance or want to explore more fashion insights, visit my website. The link is in the description below. Let's continue this style journey together. Stay stylish, everyone.